Hello, this is Mary Hubbard, Assistant Director of the Peterborough Town Library, and today I want to give you a short tutorial on Novelist. We know how hard it is not to be able to browse the stacks, which is why I wanted to let you know about this great resource. Novelist connects books to book lovers. If you've read something you've really enjoyed, Novelist can suggest a similar author or title. If you're reading a series, Novelist can tell you what's next. If a Peterborough library has it, you can reserve it with the click of a button. So let's get started. First, go to our website, peterboroughtownlibrary.org, select Services, select eLibrary. Scroll down the page until you see Novelist. Here you have two options, Novelist Plus, which includes books for adults, or Novelist Plus K through 8. Today we're going to look at Novelist Plus. The patron ID is your library card. Just click on Sign In, and once you're in Novelist, there are several ways to search. One of the easiest is to use the I'm in a mood for books that are, and there are various options here, or you can create your own appeal mixer. Let's see what we can pull up if our character is quirky, the pace is fast, and the tone is heartwarming. Novelist has given us 60 titles to look at. That's great. So we can move through these items by just clicking these arrows on the far right. And once we see something that looks interesting, just take your cursor, hover over it, and you'll get a pop-up with a description of the book. Click on the title in that description and it will take you to a screen that will give you more information about the book along with read-alikes in the right-hand column. If this link is here, then that means it's in our catalog. And all you need to do is click on that, click Place Hold, and sign into your account. And the hold will be processed. As you can see, there are lots of ways to search a novelist, not only by the I'm in a mood, but you can also search by genre, by featured award winners, featured audio books, as well as the more traditional search box at the top of the page. Here you can search by keyword, title, author, and narrator. For example, if you've been reading a James Patterson series but are unsure of what the next book is, all you have to do is click the drop-down arrow, change the criteria to series, type in James Patterson, and his series will pop up. Let's look at middle school. There's information about the series as well as a list of the books that are in that series. So if I've read My Brother is a Big Fat Liar, which he's not, I now know that the next How I Survived Bullies, Broccoli, and Snake Hill is the next in the series, and I can go ahead and look at that and find out more about it and see if it's in our catalog. Novelist is a very powerful program, and there are many ways to find your next read than the few that I've just shown you. I encourage you to explore. If you have questions, don't hesitate to email us at library@peterborough.nh.gov or call us at 924-8040. And above all, have fun and enjoy.